Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your way to the airport in Berry Avenue. So, if you need to catch a flight but cannot find the Berry Avenue airport, in this tutorial I'll show you the easiest way to locate and navigate to the airport so you can roleplay, travel, or explore without any hassle. So here, once you're in the lobby, you can just get a car and here go straight, and once you see the Moonlight Hotel, you can go turn left from here. Okay, after that, once you see the travel arc, you can just turn right from here. Then still go straight until you pass the farmers market here. And in here, once you see the Berry High School, you can just turn left before the school. Okay, so turn left, and here you can just follow the road. Sorry, I'm not a good driver here. Okay, so just follow this road right here. Still going straight. And once you see this roundabout, you can just take the exit to the left. This one's right here. And you'll see the airport signs. Here you can just go straight and you'll arrive in the airport. So this is the Berry Avenue Airport. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.